In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not downloading. If you've ever gone to download your design and nothing happens, or it just keeps loading forever, it can be really frustrating. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a few simple checks and fixes you can do right away to get Canva downloading your designs again. Let's start with the most important thing, your internet connection. Canva is an online tool, so if your connection is unstable, downloads can fail or get stuck. First, make sure you're connected to the internet and that your connection is not dropping in and out. You can quickly test this by opening another website in a new tab and seeing if it loads normally. If other sites are slow or not loading, try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible, like using your phone's hotspot temporarily. Now, once you're sure you're connected, go back into Canva and look at the top area where your file name is. Click on Files and then look for the status of your design. If you see a message that says something like all changes saved, that's a good sign. It means Canva has synced your design properly with their servers, and your internet connection is working well enough for Canva to save your edits. If it doesn't say that, or if it says it's still saving, wait a moment to let it finish. Don't try to download until you're sure those changes are fully saved, otherwise the download may fail. Next, if your internet looks fine and everything is saved, the problem might be your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores a lot of temporary data, and that can sometimes cause glitches with websites like Canva. To fix this, go into your browser settings and clear your browsing cache. You don't necessarily have to clear passwords or history. Focus on cached images and files. Once that's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, log back into Canva, and try downloading your design again. Often, a fresh session after clearing the cache fixes download issues. Finally, make sure your design elements are within what Canva allows. If you have elements that extend far beyond the page or extremely large images or graphics, Canva can sometimes struggle to process the download. Zoom out on your design and check that nothing important is way outside the page area. If you see massive or unnecessary elements hanging off the edges, resize them, crop them, or remove anything you don't need. Then try downloading again. Follow these steps in order, and in most cases, you'll get your Canva downloads working smoothly again.